Guys, today we have some massive trading opportunities. So this is something you will want to take advantage of if you are a crypto trader. I am also going to talk about what I expect for the near future, as well as the data that is coming out tomorrow. And this is going to have a massive impact on the crypto market. So I'm going to talk about that as well. Welcome back, everybody. My name is Chris, bringing you cryptocurrency videos every day, teaching you how to make money in this market. If you're new to the channel, then make sure to subscribe and activate the bell right now. And guys, we've been making some pretty nice trades here recently. You can see that after my video yesterday where I talked about this level being a point where we could most probably see a little bit of a breather for Bitcoin. So a little bit of a rejection here. And yes, I'm going to talk about that in a bit. If you are in that trade, you probably already took profit here if you watched my video yesterday. But if you're still in that trade, I'm going to give you some things to think about as well. But after hitting the resistance here, of course, we shorted here. We saw this as a buying opportunity, and we saw this as an opportunity to take profit. So am I now expecting us to go down here to this level and we can just play off of this volatility? The answer to that is probably yes. On the balance of probabilities, I am expecting us to once again see some volatility and we can continue to play this range. But we also need to be careful because at any point, since every long-term indicator, every long-term chart is telling us that we are going to continue to go up. Well, if you are in a short-term trade, if you manage to be in a trade right here and the time has come for us to finally make another leg up, of course you need to use a tight stop loss. But from a risk to reward standpoint, this level is big resistance for Bitcoin. And you can see it by the way we've been rejected there previously, this time here, and this time here. So if you are thinking about shorting at this point, or if you shorted here, you still have to use a tight stop loss. So far, so good. You get in here at the, let's say you got in at a bit above the edge of the orange box. And then you are right now sitting at profit, but still use a tight stop loss here. Not financial advice, of course. But there's always that 1 in a 10 chance that we have a massive breakout to the upside, especially as we are going to see some massive volatility tomorrow. So that is for those who got into the trade here or are sitting in a trade right now. For Bitcoin, a short-term trade, long-term things are still looking good. But look at this. So this is something we've been talking about for a while, how we have a massive pump up here. We meet resistance, we consolidate in a channel. But look at this. So we had a nice breakout here, but now we have a little bit of a consolidation. And this is actually something you've been seeing 2 times before. Big breakout, a little bit of a consolidation here, and then we continue to the upside. Big breakout, consolidation, continuation to the upside. This one was just straight up basically, but right here, maybe we're gonna see something similar like we saw here. Breakout, consolidation, but then again, that means if we come up to this level here at 20, this is currently at 25,800 actually. That means, of course, that we are destroying the orange box here, which we are going to do sooner rather than later. So do you think that now is the time to destroy that orange box and come up to the resistance up here at 25,700? Well, this is also a good trading opportunity in my opinion. If we come up here, boom, expect some downside from this level. And yeah, that is something to watch out for Bitcoin. So you can see how this volatility is actually good for us who are trading consistently. And the support level here, of course, we did see massive support for Bitcoin here. We did see a massive pump based on the support here. Right now, maybe we're gonna hit this level again. Maybe we're gonna do something like this. I am expecting this to act as support for Bitcoin. Should we come down here? It's not the strongest support, but it's support nonetheless. And it has been supporting us 1, 2, 3, a couple of times here as well. So I don't know, what is that? 7 times, 8 times maybe in total on the support level right here. So we're watching that, guys, and we are trying to, from a risk to reward standpoint, make the best trades overall. Expect this level to be somewhat of a support for Bitcoin. So before we talk about this trading opportunity actually in traditional markets, if you want to claim a $4,530 bonus, you can do that over on Bybit. Also $4,500 over on Femex. So make sure to take advantage of these offers. You get the highest bonuses using my links right here. So if you want to claim this, you want to start trading, or you are already an experienced trader, you want to claim this bonus, make sure to use these links. So I wanted to show you this. So this is a level, of course, we broke out of already, but we haven't retested this yet. So we haven't retested this. Maybe we are going to do it on this candle. This is the daily time frame. So the retest would be somewhere along 23,200. So we are watching that. Let's see if this can hold. If we see that drawdown here. And finally, on the hourly time frame, we do have a little bit of a bull flag here. So this is usually a very bullish pattern. You can see that we have the flagpole here. We have consolidation inside of this bull flag. And then usually we do see a nice little bit of a breakout from this point. Of course, it's not guaranteed. Nothing in trading is guaranteed. But these tend to break out pretty ferociously to the upside. So this is also where we need to pay attention to the resistance levels. On my support and the resistance levels on this chart, we do have a big one here at 26,400, by the way. So if you expect a big breakout here, be prepared for this level as well. But then, of course, you have the 25,500. So in general, 25,000 is a level to keep your eyes on. Traditional markets are... This is really, really interesting how it's respecting my orange line here. This orange line is very strong. Both to the up and to the downside, actually. You can see how many times we were supported here, how many times we were rejected, went up, boom, straight down, and now we are finding massive resistance off of this level. So right now we are below it, but let's see if we can finally, get out of this general area and have some bullish action to the upside. It seems like the bears really want to protect this level. They want to push down the Bitcoin price below the line here at 4,150 on traditional markets. Tomorrow, we are going to have the inflation data in the US being released. This is going to be a crazy event. This is going to be a very volatile event. So if you're in a trade, be careful regarding this volatility. I am going to put in some orders. I'm going to talk about that in tomorrow's video. So if you want to see my exact trading setup for going into tomorrow, make sure to subscribe and activate the bell icon. I'm going to go through everything tomorrow. But the consensus is that we are going to have a reduction in inflation. The forecast 9.1. So let's see. So this is pricing in a little bit of a lower inflation. As you know, I've been saying also during the last month that I believe that we have already had peak inflation and that we are going to start to see inflation come down. We will see if that is going to be the case or not. Guys, that's what I got for you today. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I will see you in the next one.